Hello everyone, welcome back to Registerkaro, and today we are discussing everything about how to register a public limited company in India. From eligibility and documents to timelines and costs, we'll cover everything. So let's get started. First comes, what is a public limited company? A public limited company is a separate legal entity that can raise the capital from the public by issuing shares. Its key features are minimum members, 7 shareholders, and at least 3 directors. Free transferability of shares. It means investors can buy or sell the shares on the stock exchange. Perpetual succession. The company continues despite changes in membership. Now, before you begin, all the proposed directors and shareholders must obtain DSC, which is Digital Signature Certificates. Apply for DIN, which is Director Identification Number, for all the directors. Have a physical company address in India with proof. Now, the step-by-step registration process. Step 1. Check and reserve company name by filing Run application. Step 2. File Spice Plus Part A form. Step 3. Complete Spice Plus Part B, which is for incorporation. In that, enter the company details, upload MOA and AOA, and file Agile Pro to apply for PAN, EPFO, and ESIC. Step 4. Pay fees and stamp duty. A consolidated challan is generated for Spice Plus form fees, MOA and AOA stamp duty, and PAN 10 fees. Step 5. Submit and track. Upload all the linked forms in order. First the Spice Plus form, then MOA and AOA, and then Agile. After the MCA review, you will get your certificate of incorporation and the PAN and 10 of your company. Now comes the timeline. So your name reservation will take approx around 4 to 6 working days. Spice Plus processing generally takes around 3 to 5 days. Once all the documents and fees are in order, DIN allotment is done instantly upon Part B completion. The company PAN and TAN allotment is also done instantly upon Part B approval. Now the cost and the government fees. The relevant information about this is shown on your screens. For exact fee slabs, refer to the MCA's Companies Rules 2014, Annexure B on mca.gov.in. So ready to launch your public limited company without the headache? Let Registerkaro help you. So click the link in the description or visit registerkaro.in for a free expert consultation for your business. Also, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.